Good afternoon. In today's video, our topic is going to be about water. So after we talked about soil, rocks, and natural resources in general, we're going to specify it in order to talk about water. As you know, water is important. We drink water every day and we swim or we can swim in the water and we can use water in our or while cooking, right? So water is important and it keeps us from being or from feeling dry. So I need you to open your books at page 226 and 227 and look here. We have something. Most plants and animals need fresh water. Fresh water means that it doesn't have any taste. It tastes like nothing. So it's just like, plain water without anything on it or inside of it, sorry. And it doesn't have any salt in it, okay? So it's not salty. So we don't drink salty water. We only drink fresh water, right? So you have to pay attention to this piece of information, okay? Now, what? Hold on. So we have to know that water can be fresh and it can be salty, okay? So here we have a picture of what? A picture of a stream. And what is a stream? It is a small body of water. As you can see, it is very small. And how can you tell it is a stream? It's not deep, okay? It's not deep. And the water in it flows. What do I mean by flows? It means like it moves, or I mean that it moves from one place to another. And it has fresh water. So you can find fresh water in a stream, okay? And by saying fresh water, it means like it's not, it means that it's not salty, okay? So what is a stream? It is a small body of water. So when you see the word small, just connected or related to the word stream, okay? So stream, small. Small what? Small body of water, because we have different bodies of water, as you can see, or as you can see at page 226. And also, you have to know that we have streams, rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, and so on, okay? So what is a stream? It is a small body of water. And how is it different from the other bodies of water? It is small, okay? It is small. And the water in it, it moves from one place to another. And do you know that the water in a stream um, can drop its water in rivers? So let us see the second one. Also, again, water can be fresh and it can be salty, okay? So a river is what? As you can see, it is a large body of water. It is different than the stream. The stream is small and the river is what? Large. And the water in it also flows. It means that it moves. So imagine that the water here, do you think that the water here is gonna flow and go till it reaches here? Yes, it will, okay? So we have to know that the water in a river and a stream flow because they are open areas. They can just, take their water to any place they want. Depends on the places they're open to. So the water in it, or the water in rivers and streams, move from one place to another, and also rivers has fresh water. You have to know something, that sometimes a river can have salty water because of what? Because rivers can what? So sometimes it can have, yes, the rivers can have salty water because of what? Because they flow into what? Into seas and oceans. And as you know, or as you have to know, that oceans and seas don't have fresh water. They have what? They have salty water. Okay, they have salty water. So rivers can have fresh water and salty water. Okay. So what is the difference between a stream and a river? The river is a large body of water and the stream is a small body of water. Now let us move to the third body of water that we have in our books. So again, water can be fresh and it can be salty, okay? So a lake is a body of water with land all around it. So do you think it is a closed area or an open area? It is a closed area, okay? As you can see here, we have land. Here also we have land, but the picture is kind of cropped. And here we have land, and here we have land. So the water inside this body of water does not go anywhere. It stays here. Okay, it stays in this body of water. So it won't go anywhere like the water in rivers and streams. Okay, so what is the difference between a lake and a river? The river has water that flows. It means that it goes from one place to another. And a lake is or has a land all or sorry, has land all around it. So the water in it won't go anywhere. Okay, it won't move anywhere. It stays inside this place. It won't go to any place else. So the water in it does not flow or doesn't flow, and it doesn't move from one place to another. And also, okay, we have to know that lakes has fresh water. It's not salty, okay? Okay. Now, let us see. We have a question here. The question says that which picture shows a lake? Okay, let us remember what is a lake. A lake is a body of water that or with land all around it. Okay, here we don't have land all around it because here we have land, okay? Here we have land, but here we don't have land, and here we don't have land. So it will move from one place to another. But this one is it's not an open area, and the water in it will stay inside this certain place. So which one do you think is a lake? Which one is the lake? This one, number 1, okay? This is a lake, and this is a river because it is a large body of water. Now, let us move to the second question. We have, which picture shows a stream? Okay, look here. Here we have a river, and here we have a stream. Why is this picture a stream? We said that a stream is a small body of water. And look here, okay, hold on. Here, it is small. And here, it is bigger than the stream. As you can see here, we can see the rocks in the stream because it is really shallow. It's not deep. Rivers can be deep, okay? They can be shallow and they can be deep. The meaning of the word shallow, that يعني مش غميق, okay? And the word deep means غميق. So rivers can be shallow and deep, but streams are shallow, okay? Let us see the last question. Okay, actually it's not the last question. Okay, it is the third question. So which picture shows a river? Here we have Here we have a shallow, small body of water. Hold on. Here we have a shallow, small body of water. And here we have a large body of water. And as you can see, the water in it flows, and here the water in it flows too. But here we can see the rocks, here we can't see the rocks. So it is like here deep. So what do you think? Which one shows a river? And we have to know the river is a large body of water. So the picture that shows a large body of water is number 2, and it is a river. Okay, this is a river, as you can see. Both have flowing or water that flows because they can move it from one place to another. And you have to know something, that streams can flow their water in a river, okay? Now, the last question, which picture shows a body of water that has land all around it? Okay, look here, we have a stream, okay? A stream is a small body of water that has flowing water. So when we have flowing water, it won't be a closed area. It won't have land all around it. So this is a stream. Does a stream have, or sorry, yes, does a stream have all land all around it? No, it doesn't. Okay, what about a river? Does it have land all around it? No, because it has flowing water. And if the body of water has a flowing water, it won't have land all around it. What about this one? Look here. It is a closed, or it's a closed area. And as you can see here, what the water in it doesn't flow. So if the water doesn't flow and it is, or it has land all around it, it's going to be a lake. So do you think number one is the answer, or number two, or number three? Of course, it's going to be number three, okay? Number three is a lake, and lake is the body of water that has land all around it, okay? Okay. That's all what I need you to know about these three bodies of water. So we have a stream, a river, and a lake, and they are different than each other because a stream is small, or a small body of water. A river is a large body of water that has flowing water, and a lake is the body of water that has land all around, or I can say, or simply say that it is a closed, or it's a closed area, okay? And it does, or the water in it doesn't flow. Okay, so that's what I need you to know again. Okay, and if you have any questions, just ask me. And thank you for listening. Have a nice day.